Hi guys, welcome back to my Photoshop learning channel. Throughout this lesson, I'm going to focus on how we could use blending modes for matching colors. This is another way of color matching process. Let's start. Going to use my friend Mubith Khan's image today for this process. Come over here and click Create a new layer icon. A new layer is created on the top. Select Rectangular Marquee tool and make a selection like this. Click on this color picker and choose the color. This is the color we're going to apply to this shirt. Go to Edit menu and choose Fill. Or press Shift and F5 to bring up this dialog box. Choose foreground color and press OK. To fill the color directly to the selection, press Alt and Backspace key. Come over to Select menu and choose Deselect. Or press Ctrl and D keys on the keyboard. Going to apply this color to the shirt. Renaming this layer as New Color. Now we'll duplicate this layer. Get the Move tool. Come over to this rectangular and pressing the Alt key, drag up like this to get another copy. It's duplicated now. First thing is, we need to find the actual color of this shirt. Get the eyedropper. It's used for selecting color. This may be the actual color. Click on it. Check the foreground color. Selected color became as a foreground color. By pressing the Ctrl key, click this layer. Now it's selected. Go to Edit menu and fill the color as we did before. Or press Alt and Backspace keys. Rename this layer as Shirt's color. Go to Select menu and choose Deselect. Now we have two layers. Red color is to be applied to shirt. This may be the actual color of the shirt. Before move to next step, if we know how Photoshop handles the colors, it will be very easy to understand to do this project. Double-click on the color picker. Every color in Photoshop is controlled by these three components: hue, saturation, and brightness. Let's see what's hue. Hue is the color of the image. When I move this pointer, check the hue values. It's changing. Now we can understand the hue tool allows you to adjust colors. Let's see about saturation. Saturation is the intensity of that color. It changes overall of the color of the image. When I drag this, check the saturation values. The intensity is being decreased. This is saturation. Finally, we'll see how brightness works. When drag the pointer, brightness values is changed from 100% to 0%. Now we can understand. Lightness controls the brightness value. Now I'm going to use this technique to match specific color in this project. Let's see how to do this. Now we'll create a new layer. Come over here and click this icon. A new layer is created on the top of layer stacks. And we'll fill this layer with this red. Get the eyedropper and click on this color. Now the foreground color is red. Go to Edit menu and choose Fill. Select foreground here. Hit OK. Now it's filled with the foreground color. Come to the blending option. You can find hue and saturation and color. Select color. Keep in mind, color blending mode only controls hue and saturation. Right-click on this layer and select Create Clipping Mask. The clipping mask only affects the layer below. Now remember this. Color blending only controls hue and saturation, not the brightness. So, for controlling brightness, we'll add a level adjustment. Above this layer, click this icon and choose Levels. Come again to the blending option. Select Luminosity. So, this layer will control brightness. Get the Zoom tool and bring these two layers closer, like this. By using this level adjustment layer, we can match the color easily. Now drag this slider till the shirt's color turn to red. Holding the Control key, select both these two layers. Now, right-click on these layers and select Release Clipping Mask. Let's put these two layers into a group. And click this icon, or press Ctrl and G. Now these two layers are into the group. Why we are grouping these layers? Layer groups also make it easier to work with several layers at once. Disable this layer and we'll select the dress. You can use any selection tool. My favorite one is Pen tool. Get the Pen tool and make the path around the shirt, like this. I'm speeding up this. Now complete the path. And right-click and choose Make Selection. Keep the feather radius 1 and press OK. Shirt is selected now. Select the group layer. Come to bottom and click Add Layer Mask. A mask's been created in the group layer. Now the shirt is only changed to red, not the background. Drag this layer over to the group layer stack. Get the Move tool. Bring this layer over to the shirt. If you feel that it's not an exact color matching, easily we can solve this. Click on this level adjustment layer. Let's see now how to fix these issues. Drag this slider to the right side to increase the color. Drag this slider to left side and to increase the brightness. Now check these brightness. In this way, you can make perfect color match. Alright guys, you can get started using blending modes for matching specific colors in Photoshop. If you enjoy this video, please give a thumbs up. To see more videos like this, please consider subscribing. Okay, that's all I have for today. See you in my next video.